In this video, I'm going to show the basics of interacting with Maquette's hand-mounted UI. You can see here that I'm using an Oculus Rift, but Maquette is also supported on the HTC Vive and all of the Windows Mixed Reality headsets. All of those controllers have a grip button and a trigger button. To interact with Maquette's hand-mounted UI, use the trigger button. So for instance, if you wanted to change the color that's currently selected, point at the slider here and use the trigger button. If you want to change which tool is currently active, just point at the different tools up here, and you can see that the hand-mounted UI changes accordingly upon pressing the trigger. Down here are a bunch of different assets, which you can drag into the scene, or import your own, an Environments tab, which allows you to change lighting and other things. There's a Settings tab as well, in which, among other things, hand dominance can be changed, either left or right. There's also a File Explorer, which you can use to access previously open maquettes.